Choice today with the 2016 BMW 7 Series. The BMW 7 Series is the BMW 4Runner. This full-size sedan has always represented the top of luxury and technology. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, cold weather package, active suspension system. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
To be eligible for the Certified Pre-Owned Vehicle Program, a BMW must pass a thorough inspection by factory-trained technicians. Stop into your local BMW dealer today and ask to see the BMW Certified Pre-Owned Inspection Checklist. It is your assurance that pre-owned BMW you are purchasing retains the quality, reliability, and overall pleasure that BMW owners have come to expect.